get to that in a different video. But in this video, we're gonna be unboxing something from Maxpeedingrods MXR, longtime supporter of the channel. And I know we've been gone for a while, but we're making a comeback, guys, I promise. So, that time of the year, guys, holidays are coming up, and you know, we got all the car girls and car guys out there that are into cars, on budgets and everything, and want quality stuff. And this box is a new part from Maxpeedingrods that is a good addition to any car, in my opinion. So the link to this all will be down in the description with a discount code for you guys, save you guys some money at checkout and everything. So let's go ahead and open this box, show you guys what we got that MXR sent us out. And remember, guys, to cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. Know how to use a knife. Don't cut towards yourself, cut away. So don't do as I say, or as I do as I say. In a sense, you don't have to listen to me, but I'm just saying. See if I can. They take this one good. Nice. There we go. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Open this box up. Stepping up with packaging, I see y'all. These would be good to use for like knee pads, you know, when you're working on your car or something, you know. So I'm gonna pull all the boxes out, lay them out on the table, and then we'll show you guys what everything is. Once I get it all laid out on the table, got that. This is not gold catching it, guys. I promise you. And right here, guys, is the installation manual for what's in these boxes. This is a new product from Maxpeedingrods. It is the newest and latest oil cooler. We'll just start with a small box and work up to the bigger one. So, okay, so right here is the bracketry and all the hardware for all this. So, put this up here. Let's see what's in this box. All right. So it comes with pre-made 10 or -10 AM lines with the fittings and everything on it, nylon lines, and then a little clip so you can put on your lines and make it look nice and uniform. Hold them together. Guys, a lot of people down Maxpeedingrods, but I've got a lot of their parts with the oil lines and their AM lines. These feel so much better than their old stuff. Like, even the fittings look different. Guys, I mean, I'm telling you guys, a lot of people down Maxpeedingrods, but their quality has gone up tremendously. Got bracketry, hardware, you got your oil lines here. And what I've noticed, when you guys open the box, you try to put stuff back in it, it never goes back in the same way it came out. I don't know why. So we'll put that there, this here. Let's do this first. This is what I'm excited for. I'll lay everything up on here. It comes with everything you guys need to do this setup. So these will go for what's in here. Banjo style fittings for your AM lines. And then look at this, guys. Look at the quality of this. I'll get up closer to the camera in a second to show you guys this. But this, it's a solid unit. It's nice. Anyway, so O-rings for here, you know, they give you 2 of them. This will be, that's pretty much an oil sandwich. So you'll have your fittings. This, whichever thread pitch yours takes, you know, will go to where your oil filter is. All right, that will go there, sandwich onto the block where your oil setting or oil filter would be. All right, and then that will screw on. It'll hold this up there tight, and then you can position this however you would like it, in a sense, and then tighten this up. And what I like about this setup, it has the setup here where you can put your banjo bolts. You know, I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging or anything, but you guys get the idea, you know. I'll screw that in there. This swivel for the oil lines. But on top of just that, it has 2 NPT spots. So if you want to run, if you're turbo and you want to run your oil feed line, an opening for that. And if you want an oil gauge in your car, pressure gauge, it has one there as well. And then you got the spring set up in here and everything too. So it's a very nice unit. It's got some weight to it, guys. Like, that's nice. Like I said, this is their newest setup. They have other ones, but this is their newest ones. I'll show you guys everything close on the camera after we unbox everything. I want to go through everything and show you guys everything. I'm guessing this will be the cooler in here, or this one maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's really nice. These are nice and everything. And then even, I'll open one of these too to show you guys. Even on here, guys, it's got here your 2 O-ring crush washers. And then on top of that, there's an opening here too if you want to run additional lines for stuff, you know? Which is pretty sick in my opinion. So, and they're both like that, you know? And then there's swivel beds. It's pretty cool. Like I said, link in the description to this exact kit with a discount code and everything. We'll get it closed properly. Oh, yeah. And now, I'm not sure if this is the cooler or this is the cooler. I don't know, but we's about to find out. It's not damaged the box. Yep, this is the cooler. Gosh, look at that. That is dope looking. That is dope. And then right here would be for your AN lines to go to. Nicely powder coated and everything. Seems like you got good flow. Good weight to it, so you know it's better quality than their older stuff. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, like, whether I'm sponsored by this company or any other company I'm sponsored by, if they have issues with something, I don't only let them know, I let you guys know too. Because I don't want to give out information to people that is false. Like, I never had an oil cooler and I wanted one on my turbo coupe, but I never did one because I didn't like the old ones they had. But when they told me about the newer ones and I looked it up and read some reviews on it and kind of looked into the specs of them, I was shocked. I was like, wow, yeah, I'm gonna definitely get one of them. So they said, you know what, we got you. It's the holidays, we'll send you one out. So that's what they did. They hooked us up with this. They sponsored the channel for this, for a special car. But then it's got their logo on there. It's got mounting brackets up and down, like on the top and bottom. So, and this one here, they have a bigger one. This is a 20 row, I think. They have a bigger one as well. So, I think it's a 20 or 25 row. I think it's a 20. And then they had like a 30, but this is plenty for what I need. And then this here will be it has a whole like cage, you know, like for airflow, you know, and that's what's in here. Everything in here has got their logo on it as well, you know. So this would be like top, bottom, and then here's the sides to it and stuff. And it kind of makes so like a ducking in a sense, you know. Yeah, sturdy, nice. And then you got your ports for the oil cooler lines to go into it. That's cool. The hardware, all of it. And this is dope looking. I'm excited for this. Like I said, I've wanted to put an oil cooler when we had the turbo coupe and stuff, but I didn't want to get the one from them at the time because it was more like a generic type one that's kind of get like at parts stores even. And I wanted to wait and never ended up coming around and getting one for right? But this one here, quality for sure. And people are gonna probably say, you know, you can't put the word MXR and quality together, and you guys are absolutely wrong. You can. They have proven themselves over the years. They've been around for 20 years almost now, guys. Going on 20 years. 2006. They have stepped up their game tremendously. I'm happy with the quality of stuff, and I have nothing bad to say about them. Like I said, I've had issues in the past with certain things, like their older style turbos, the first setup of coilovers they had, but they've reamped everything. So, and then here's the ducking setup for you guys. I think it was really, really good. If you can't see it on the editing software, I'll zoom in on it for you guys. But yeah, guys. So big, massive shout out to MXR for sending this out to us. This is gonna go in good use on a upcoming project for you guys to see soon. And we have more stuff coming. And we're gonna be dropping a lot of content coming up in 2026. So today's date is December 5th. These videos won't start, my content won't start dropping until the beginning of the year in January. So January 1st or 2nd, I will start dropping the videos I've been making and content that I've been stacking. So it'll be, I have videos that are gonna be, that some of them were recorded like 5 months ago, 6 months ago, leading up till now. I don't know exactly what day this video will be dropping, but yeah, I got a bunch of content that's gonna drop and stuff. Being this is a sponsored video, guys, I might drop like reels on it maybe. Like I might go to some editing software, clip it, and drop some shorts and reels for social media, you know, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, Cardio Garage on Instagram. You don't follow me on TikTok, I'm gonna start posting on there again. Cardio Garage. And then you don't follow me on Facebook, it's just search up Cardio Garage. It'll pop up. You'll see this face. I believe the profile pictures of the CG3, the Turbo Coupe. But yeah, so it'll say Antonio Ladoni. So look it up. Follow us everywhere. 2026 is the year of the comeback and the grind. So you guys see now in the background, we got our own house now, and me and my wife are grinding hard for what we got. Made some sacrifices on the way and stuff, but we pushed and grinded and working 2 jobs plus each of us, and finally got our own house. Yeah, once again, big shout out to Maxpeedingrods guys for sending this out. Check them out. They have merch. They have a bunch of parts for cars, different kind of cars, trucks and diesels, even suspension parts, cooler parts, even like everyday use tools that you would need as a mechanic or an enthusiast that wants to work on cars, you know. They have all that, guys. So, and the pricing is fair, and there's always a link in the description of every video with a discount code. So hit that link. You can search out whatever you want. Discount code will save you guys some money. I'm not entirely sure how much it is right now. I know it's gone up, it's gone down depending on what sales and specials they have going on. But usually between 10 and 50% off, I think, which will help a lot, especially around the holidays. So if you guys want to get, you know, your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your buddy, a part or tools or whatever, check out MXR, link in the description, discount code CARDUBE, so you guys some money at the checkout. But yeah, thank you guys. Let me show you, I think on here, it has the part number for this kit. I don't, but the links, it will be in the description for this anyways, so you guys can check that out. thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying till the end. If you made it till the end, put CDG fam in the description or in the comments, and just talk about it. Just talk. Let's have a conversation, guys. It's been a while since we've seen each other and we've talked. So let me know how you guys been, how your projects are going in the comments, and I'd be excited for this comeback and stuff. We got big things coming and a new car. But that's for a different video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. And remember, anything is possible with the Lord. And if you have a vision, keep pushing. Because God wouldn't give you vision without provision. So just remember that. And I pray that God is blessing you guys throughout these holidays and every day in your family. So I love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless. I can't reach the camera, but peace out, y'all.